built this whole thing in less than 30 minutes, right? Let's see what the results are for video generation.
I love how the La Specialista's latte art tech makes his cappuccinos look so pro. He always smiles when I make one.
So this was a good 8-second video that came out, and I built this on N8N. So I'll take you quickly through step by step what was one, and then you guys can take a look at it. So the first one I did was I added a form submission. So within this form submission, there are a couple of things to be added. One is the product, what's the product name, the product link, the features, what image setting, and ICP. So once we have this ready, then we go to the AI agent that looks into the prompt image. So the user just has simple, just the product, which we just drag and drop, and then the image setting. Right now, if you go to the system prompt, which is the instructions that we are giving it to write the image prompt. So here, they are saying it's a hyper-realistic UGC photographic prompt generator. It says you're an expert in a hyper-realistic user-generated content, photographic, and your role is to generate detailed image prompts, not the image themselves. And then we just have a lot more added over here. So what's the prompt guidelines? We've given it step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, and so on. Then critical instructions. This is something that we really need to give so that it doesn't go in a different direction. Once we have this, I'm using Kie AI. So with this, you can just get your API key instantly, and you just need to add, you can start off with $5, and then you can just keep going on and on. Right? So once we have this, then it goes to the image analyzer. So once it's generated the image, then it goes to the image analyzer. And here, we just wanted to analyze the thing, right? So I've just said, describe what the image is, describe the environment and the human of the focus of the image, as well as the human holding it, was holding the product, right? Then we add the URL that we get, which is from here. And then we add this here. Once we add that here, it goes to the, then it starts to generate a prompt for a video. Right? This is using Veo. Again, just simple ones. What the product, the ICP, the features, video setting, and the image content that we got. Right? Once we have that ready, we go to the system prompt again, right? Because we know Veo gives us 8 seconds, sorry. We have to use this. And you can pause and take a screenshot of it, and you can use it for your business, or you want to do it for personal, and just add your touch to it. Once these are done, again it goes to Kie AI for the video generation, does that, and it gets sent here. Once it gets sent here, we have a link. It gives us a link. We copy this, and it gets downloaded here, and this is what the video has come. So it's super simple.
I love how the La Specialista's latte art tech makes his cappuccinos look so pro. He always smiles when I make one.
So it's super simple and long. So I took an example of this coffee machine from Amazon, and then I did it. Another one that I did, I also gave it to Gemini, where I just asked it to generate me the video. And
I love how the latte art tech makes perfect foam every time, and mornings with him feel extra special. I love how
so this is also something that you guys can also use on Gemini. And yeah, if you're on a pro version, you might get a little more, I don't know. But currently, I think you will get 3 videos per day. Whereas if you're using this in N8N workflow, you can just keep generating videos as much as possible, as long as you have credits in Kie AI. Once you have that, you're good to go. So yeah, just comment below to see I would like to see what you guys have been building, and let me know your comments and your thoughts on this video, whether it was useful or helpful. Sorry, whether it was useful or not. Thanks.